Mes élèves de français de bonjour, j'espère que vous allez bien et que vous êtes prêts à affronter cette nouvelle journée. Today you have a quiz. It's a quiz on verbes réflexifs, les verbes réfléchis, and on the vocabulary of the bathroom and de la routine. Bien. Alors, je vous explique ce que vous allez faire. I'm explaining to you what you are going to do. So, you are going to take the quiz on the link here, and you have one hour to do that. And the student who have extended time can take a little longer. And please take the time to read the questions. It's on that kind of document, you see, the assessment document here, Google Assessment. So really take the time to read the directions before starting, because you know that with that Google Assessment, when you are done, you are done. You cannot go back. That's why you really have to take the time to read properly. Read the direction. So, for instance, here, I put here something. Okay, you see the question. What are we, que fait-on? And then I have the subject of the verb, and then you will have to conjugate the verb between parentheses. That's what you will have to do. You have you will have to conjugate. You don't have to write the entire sentence, just the verb conjugated with that subject. D'accord? And for the order here, you'll have to associate. So that means that when you have a noun, you need, it will be the noun, the name, the noun of an object. So you'll have to associate that object with the part of the body you use that object. C'est un peu comme si on dit, si on parle des habits, si on dit le t-shirt, ça se met sur le torseau, le haut du corps, d'accord? Ou bien le chapeau se met sur la tête. Hein? Je mets chapeau, vous devez me dire la tête, d'accord? Donc, and you write only the word that I'm looking for. So, take the time. It's a short quiz. It's not a reason to rush. It's just a quiz. It's not a test. That's why it's short. But don't rush. Read the directions. I insist because I can see that some of you, when they do activities, they can be wrong, not because they don't know, but because they don't take the time to read. Bien. This is said. Okay? So I hope that you will do what I said and you pay very good attention. Once you are done, you will be done for the day, because you don't have the exit ticket today. This will count as an exit ticket. D'accord? And don't forget the meeting, the meeting this afternoon from 3 to 4, de 3h à 4h cet après-midi. Voilà, je vous souhaite une excellente journée, bon courage et bonne chance. Au revoir.